was that we always had either records to dance to, Latin programs, or had to hire a band, and a couple of them, 3 of them there, got together and said, why don't we try this? We can sort of play some instruments between the 3 of us, maybe we can put something together. Well, yeah, they did their first one, I believe it was November 18th, as Independence Day. And, you know, it was the beginning. But now they've been to a lot of places. They've basically been all over the U.S., to the song festivals up in Canada. So they are going to do as Gustavo Salmiano.
I kind of money time. Any kind of house, she had money, now the house, I just money, now the
So I was the son of, I guess, a mounted soldier. And the story about a soldier who's riding along, he's been riding day and night, and finally comes across this hill. And in the valley in the spring, he sees a young lady. And he asks her to give his horse some water. And he becomes quite enamored of her and asks her to be his bride. She kind of looks at him and goes, well, you know, a soldier's bride, all she ends up with is a burst of tears. So she kind of rejects him and dances away. His dance was choreographed for the Toronto Song Festival in, let's see, 96, was it?
91.
91, sorry. That's the choreographer. Choreographer, sorry. He choreographed the dance for, there's always a new dance competition, and in different sections. And he entered this one, and he actually won something, which was really cool. So this is Daphne David Beach.